Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows. I didn't make an intro only because I wanted this video to be quick and it's like self-explanatory. Like my eyebrows is like an ongoing question that I get literally every single day, so I decided to make a video on it. I'm not going to talk about this entire video only because I want y'all to focus, pay attention, and just focus on the brows and how to get them done like me. So don't forget to give me a like, comment, subscribe, and share, and stay tuned for my next video.
Crumbs.